The forecast does look pretty decent, I will say, this weekend for outdoor activities. It will be a little bit on the cooler side. I've highlighted a few of the larger lakes across the region, some of which, by the way, just iced out in late April or early May. So yes, a little on the cooler side. The water temperature will certainly be chilly, but the best chance for rain is pretty meager, and that's going to be early Saturday morning. So maybe if you're out casting a line at midnight, you might run into some showers. But by the time we get into the daylight hours of Saturday, most of those rain chances will be basically gone. It was warmer today than yesterday by about 10 to 15 degrees, but still cooler than average. Average high is 66. We didn't even hit 60 degrees today after starting the day off at 33. Now, for those of you who are waiting for these warmer temperatures to finally arrive, have some good news. There are strong hints with forecast models that warmer than average temperatures are about a week to a week and a half away. Second half of May certainly looks a whole lot warmer than the first half of May, but at least in the short term, it's going to be a little bit on the cooler side. We saw lots of sunshine today, just a few fair weather cumulus clouds, mainly north of the Twin Cities, and mainly dry conditions. That'll set us up for a quiet and mainly sunny Friday. We're fast forwarding Friday to Friday evening with microcasts as we are tracking a weak system coming out of the Canadian prairies. Frontal system moving through early Saturday morning. This is 4:30 in the morning, so some light showers will be around, basically enough to wet the ground. That's going to be about it. Once the sun rises, it looks like the sun will return and a good amount of sunshine, although kind of breezy behind that front. Notice a northwesterly breeze on Saturday. That wind will be a bit more northerly as we head into Sunday. But otherwise, high pressure moving in for Mom's Day. Looks like a pretty nice day to be outside, but cooler. Temperatures in the mid 60s on Saturday and then near 60 as we head into Sunday, and then a somewhat more active pattern develops next week. Here's a weather system that moves through late Monday night into Tuesday morning. That's system number one. The second system moving through later on Thursday. So about every other day is when we have our rain chances in the forecast, and you can see that reflected with your 7-day. Pleasant and 70 as we head into tomorrow. So a sharp contrast from the 40s that we saw yesterday. A little cooler heading into the weekend. Stray shower possible early Saturday, but otherwise it's a mostly dry weekend. And then again, a few showers every other day starting next Tuesday into Thursday with a slowly warming thermometer, a string of 70s by next Wednesday.